If you want to make money in Airdrop, this is the airdrop you can start farming right now. It is called Mango and it is a good airdrop which has potential so that it will pay their users for participating in their testnet tasks. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can perform it, how you can register and perform the testnet tasks so that you can be eligible for this airdrop. What you have to do is to click in the link which is in the video description, and you will arrive on the registration page and input that invitational code of mine, and then you will arrive on this homepage which is like this. So what you have to do is to install the Mango extension and create wallet. After creating wallet, you have to click here on connect wallet and then select Mango wallet. After selecting Mango wallet, what you have to do is to click here to unlock and approve, and then you have to input your password. After inputting your password, it will direct you on the sign page, then you click on sign. As you see my wallet has been connected successful. So when you are here, what you have to do here, you paste my invitational code and then click here on join now. After clicking on join now, you will arrive on this page which is task list. So what you have to do, the first task is the one which is called Mango swap, but let me show you the first task we can do. So that in order to get the token to swap, you see it is called MGO. What you have to do is to copy our wallet address, and then we come here on Discord task, click on it. After clicking on Discord task, we are going to open new tab and then type in Discord. After typing in Discord, we are going to go in the Mango network server so that you can ask for testnet token so that you can get the token to swap. So then after clicking on Discord, and then you have to click on Mango network server, and then you have to select MGO for site, this channel which is called MGO for site. Let me scroll up so that you can see everything. MGO for site, click on it, and then we're going to use this command which is called MGO/for site. And then after typing things like this, what we have to do is to put in a space and then paste your wallet address and then click on enter. And then after clicking on enter, when the bot replies to your message, means that you got the testnet token into your wallet so that you can perform swaps. So let's wait, and then after a few minutes the bot will reply to us. So then we are going to swap. What you have to do is to come here on Discord. Let's wait so that you can see if the bot replies, and then by the time of waiting, what you have to do is to come here on back on task list. So we are going to perform task which is called Mango swap. This is the first task. So but by the way, if you like this video, you can click on the like button and subscribe on this channel so that you will never miss any crypto updates, and also you can join my telegram channel so that you will be updated about new information. So then the first task, we are going to swap MGO into USDT. So as you see on my wallet, let me click on it. You see that I have 1.61. You see already I got the faucet from here in Discord, because you see that the balance has been refreshed. So then I'm going to swap MGO to USDT. What you have to do is to here on go to task. After clicking on go to task, what you have to do is it will open this swap tab. So then you have to make sure that the wallet address is connected right here, and then we are going to select MGO. Then we're gonna swap it into USDT. So then we're gonna input the amount we want to swap. See, I'm going to swap 0.1 MGO, which is equivalent to this amount. Then click on submit. And also remember that this is testnet tokens and they have no value. So then we're going to approve our transaction, and then you see that our transaction is going to be success, as you see. And then the second task we are going to perform is to swap USDT back to MAI. So then you have to reverse it, USDT to MAI, and then I'm going to select like 0.1 again, and then I'll have to click here on submit. After clicking on submit, have to agree the transaction. You have to confirm the transaction here in this pop-up message, and then click here on approve. After clicking on approve, you see it is still loading. You have to wait a little bit. You see that it is success. The third task is called use obtained MAI to exchange for USDT. Then you have to come here and reverse it, and then you're going to swap MAI into USDT. So let us try to input 0.1. Let's see if it's gonna work. Then click here on submit. You see that we have insufficient balance. So let me try to swap many USDT like 0.3 USDT so that you can get many MAI tokens. Then click here on submit. After clicking on submit, you have to approve the transaction as usual, and then I will continue to the next task, which is called bridging. I will show you how to bridge coins on this Mango network. So then you are going to reverse, and then you are going to swap MAI to USDT. So then you see I still have 0. What I have to do for now, I'm going to refresh this page so that the balance can be credited right here. So then you have to click MAI. You see that it is already credited, and then you have to select USDT. Then I'm gonna input 0.1 or 0.05, and then click here on submit. After clicking on submit, you have to wait and then approve the transaction. So you have to wait a little bit based on your network connection, and then click here on approve. See, success. So here we go. Then you have to come back here and then click here on submit, and make sure you click on submit where you have finished the task. So then exchange USDT back to MAI. Click here on submit again, and then all of this, click here on submit. You see the first one is completed, second one and third one is synchronizing. So then have to wait a little bit so that all of those can be completed, so that you can get sleep points for today. So then you see, let me try to continue the video after all tasks already it's completed. So let's move on the second task. So we have to click here on back, and then you have to come here and then click here on sign now. Already it is another task. Then click here on sign now, and then approve the transaction. After approving the transaction, you see it is still loading, and then you see signing successful. Then we are going to do Mango Bridge. This Mango Bridge, click on it, and then the first task is to swap Mango into BSC or Binance Smart Chain testnet tokens. Here we gonna need MetaMask. So then when I try to open my MetaMask wallet, let me show you that I have testnet USDTs. So you see, if I come here on testnet network, you see here, you see I have Seporia, Linear, I have BSC test or PBSC. You see I have all of the testnet tokens. So I'm going to show you how you can get BSC token. What you have to do is to come on this particular website. You have to come on this website, which is called BSC testnet BNB for site. And then what you have to do in order to get this testnet token, you have to click here on your wallet address, and then click here on copy wallet address. After clicking on copy wallet address, you have to come here and paste your wallet address like this, and then you have to make sure you follow Faucet Trade on Twitter, and then come again and click here on tweet. After clicking here on tweet, you're gonna be redirected on your X page, and then you are going to post a tweet so that you can get that testnet tokens. Make sure you follow this account, and then come here and click here on post. After clicking on post, that is still loading, and then you're gonna see your post is posted, and then click here on view. Then click on this share button and copy your link. After copying your link, come here and paste that link of your Twitter post, and then verify that you are a human. So by verifying that you are a human, you have to select, for me I'm going to select food, as you see. and then I have to click here on verify. Then I click here on receive tokens. So then you see you already used the BSC testnet before today. So try in. I have to try it at this time because I have used it already. So you're gonna use the same process I showed you so that you can get the testnet tokens. So to get the Ethereum testnet token, what you have to do is to come here on this Google Crowd website, and then you have to make sure that you input your wallet address by selecting network. You have to input Ethereum Seporia, and then you have to input your wallet address. You have to open your MetaMask, and then you have to switch to Seporia like this one, and then make sure you copy your wallet address. As you see, I have some testnet fees. Then you have to click here on copy, and then after clicking on copy, you have to paste your wallet address, and then after pasting your wallet address like this one, click here on receive that Seporia testnet token. You see my testnet tokens are on the way, and it might take a few moments. You're gonna see that our testnet token is gonna be sent into my wallet address, and also you will use the same process. You see testnet token sent, check your wallet address. If I try to check my wallet address, you see it's already increased. So then right now you can go ahead and try to bridge this Mango network. So then the first task is to swap Mango into BSC. So what you have to do is to click here on go to do task, and then it's gonna open this website which is called cross.testnet.mangonetwork.io. What you have to do is to select network here. We told that we're gonna swap Mango, bridge Mango. We're gonna go from Mango to BSC. Then you have to connect your wallet. It's gonna connect your Mango wallet already, and then select asset. You see I have USDT. If I click on USDT, I'm gonna select the BSC test. You see it's already selected, and then I'm gonna select USDT too like this, and then connect wallet. You see my MetaMask wallet has been connected already. Then what I have to do is to swap, to bridge. Like here you see I have 0.4. let me try to bridge 0.1 like this, and then click here on submit. After clicking on submit, it's gonna open your wallet. Then like this, you have to click here on approve. So make sure you watch this video carefully so that you will never miss anything which is prepared for you, so that this thing is gonna work out for you. You see transaction is successful. It was Mango to BSC. Then we're gonna go from Mango to ATH. So you see here it is Mango. We're going to select network. We're gonna input ATH test, then select input USDT, and then we're gonna select 0.1 like this, or 0.05 like this. Then we're gonna click here on submit. After clicking on submit, it's gonna open our Mango wallet, and then you have to make sure that you sign this transaction by agreeing, by clicking here on approve. Then click on approve. You have to wait a few seconds so that it's gonna go. You see transaction is successful. Mango to ATH test. Then we are going to BSC to Mango. We're gonna come here again. BSC, you have to disconnect this wallet and then disconnect this one. We're gonna go to BSC like this one, to BSC to Mango. Then come here, connect wallet. It's gonna input your MetaMask, and then we're gonna swap BSC by swapping these BNB tokens we got from that website that I showed you, and then we're gonna select it here BNB, or you can go ahead and select anything you want. So let's try to input like 0.002 like this one. Connect your wallet. It's gonna input your Mango wallet, and then click here on submit. After clicking on submit, you see that we are swapping BNB to Mango test network, and then what you have to do is to click here on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you have to wait a little bit so that this transaction can go through. What you have to do is to come here and then click here on submit, submit here, submit, also here, submit. You see all of the tasks is gonna be completed because you have to click on submit by making sure that you have did the tasks. So by clicking here on this code, it's gonna come like this, and then because we requested the gas fees into the bot by using arrobas in that command I showed you, you have to click here on submit. So you see it is completed, and then go ahead and click here on back, and then come here on being Dex app, which it gives you 10 points per day. So this is the last one. We are going to trade for AI to USDT. Then click here on go to do task, and then it's gonna open this website. What you have to do is to scroll down and then click here on AI USDT, yes, like that, and then you are going to buy. You're going to move from AI into USDT. First of all, I'm gonna buy again by selecting here market order, and then let me put 25, all stuff like this, 50%. So then I have to click on buy. By using market order, it's gonna create a order successful without waiting that price. So then I'm gonna click here on approve. After clicking on approve, you see operation is successful. Then I'm gonna sell, make sure also it is market order. Then I'm gonna say all the AI coins I have. Let me try to input 50%, and then click here on sell. And what you have to do is to accept the transaction into your Mango network by clicking here on approve. Then you have to wait a little bit so that this transaction can went successful. As you see, it's done. Then what you have to do is to come here again, click on submit, and submit also here. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video helped you, you have to write something in the comment section, because I like it to motivate me to keep making videos like this one for the people like you who want to know how to do things. So thanks for watching this video. If you haven't joined my Telegram community, make sure you join by clicking on the invite link, then you arrive there, so that we keep being updated about good projects like this one. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.